Hello guys, welcome to Dreamers Blog. And today guys, first of all I want to say happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayu Ting Ting ma'am, wish you a
happy birthday.
and don't forget to give us cake, okay? We want cake. We are both are hungry and tomorrow this guy have birthday and happy birthday advance too, bro.
Thank you, brother. And that means God give me birth with the God give me birth with the Ayu Ting Ting ma'am.
Ayu Ting Ting ma'am, one day elder than you.
Doesn't matter the age.
Yes, because akko chinta padamu Ayu Ting Ting ma'am.
Art should be vegan and don't try to make me fool because I understand now the meaning of that you spoke.
Achha, akko chinta padamu.
Yeah. That's why I love Ayu Ting Ting ma'am. I love you, ma'am.
I love you more, ma'am. We love you more. Okay.
Ayu Ting Ting, I love you.
She is only mine, bro. Okay,
no.
guys. We will fight. Why?
Yeah, we will fight for us. I won.
No. I always love you, Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am. Okay, now first we make reaction, then we will talk after. Okay.
We will not.
So guys, 1, 2, 3 and
P for
play.
Aduh Ayu.
Ini request dari pemain band tadi minta nyanyi lagu gituan.
Aduh.
Oh, she's smiling, brother.
Because she look at me.
Why?
Why this voice is not
Audible.
maybe you copyright that.
Yeah, that's
We have to just see Ayu Ting Ting.
we only see the eyes. We
Of
will
Ayu
see
Ting
the
Ting.
face of Ayu Ting
Ting Ting.
Ting, ma'am.
Oh! like this.
Pangra.
Oh, Pangra Maria Ayu Ting Ting ma'am bhi.
Oh,
Dum lak dum lak dum.
oh, she also pretty.
Oh, she look like Indian.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, don't be.
We
want to listen you are thinking ma'am. Oh,
I'm so cute, yaar.
like मार के बेट रहे पे तो डैड भी गा रहे हैं. When voice will start? Wait. That's the copyright issue. That's why they stop.
So we will pick the.
No, it's okay. We will see everything. Oh, that guy.
Berliku-liku janjimu
berkelok-kelok sehingga aku cintaku pada dirimu asik. Aduh puyuh pada kasih selama engkau di rantau. Ku tunggu dirimu.
Oh my God, guys!
My God! I saw only the Ayu Ting Ting
Even
because
me. Wait and wait also good, but
So
Ayu
because
Ting Ting, ma'am.
we really-
Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am.
because we really love Ayu Ting Ting.
Yes, we really big fan also. And Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am, you are mind blowing.
You are awesome.
Cute.
You are awesome always, and your dressing sense is out of the
Very high.
world. Out of the world.
She always make Mantap songs. Do you know what is
Yeah.
Mantap? What is Mantap?
I know.
I know. I don't know. Mantap means awesome, more than awesome, bro. And she is Mantap, and we love you. We Chinta Padamu because you are Mantap, more than Mantap, and we want to meet you with you one day. Huh? What
After
a
listening,
nice-
after listening, you are singing always the time. I want to say only one thing. This is your cup of tea. Cup of tea.
What
Just
are you
like
saying,
that.
bro?
Yeah.
I think you drunk or something.
Yeah, I'm beat in the love of Ayu Ting Ting.
Oh, that's not fair. That's not fair. Only I aku cinta padamu, Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am.
Not only you.
No, I am emotional. See,
I am.
that means I love truly. Say I love you, Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am, when you emotional.
Ayu Ting Ting.
Ayu Ting
That's
Ting.
that's saying my tongue is
Just like
fumbling
this.
all those time.
Appa cover Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am.
Appa cover.
I am actor. I am actor.
Oh, you saw them. You saw her. You are an actor. You are not a true lover.
I am a true lover. Even everyone know that I love Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am, more than anyone else, and I'm biggest fan.
What is
More
that?
than I am more big fan than you.
We are equally fan.
Okay.
Yeah. What
How to say I understand in Bahasa? Please tell us.
I want to say I love you, Ayu Ting Ting in Bahasa. So what I have to say that?
Aku cinta padamu.
Aku cinta padamu, pada
Mu.
pu, mu.
Padamu aku cinta pada. Aku Ayu Ting Ting.
Aku
Ayu Ting Ting. Aku cinta pada Ayu Ting Ting.
Ayu Ting Ting. Aku cinta pada Ayu Ting Ting.
And you can also say aku ingin. Say
Aku Indian.
aku ingin.
Aku ingin.
Ingin. Aku ingin.
Aku ingin.
Dreamer.
Aku ingin Dreamers DB Empire
Meet with you.
meet with you.
And saya adalah
Saya adalah
Ayu Ting Ting cintaku.
Ayu Ting Ting cintaku. What is that meaning?
I
Don't say
love
try
you.
to lie.
You are my love, Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am.
You are my life, Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am, because I love you very with the bottom of the heart. Because
I
of,
love
I
you
feel
more, Ayu
very.
Ting Ting, ma'am. I love you more and happy birthday again. One day we will meet and.
She had
if
an
you
ex,
watch-
but I am from my young age. I'm from 19. I am still single.
I'm not. Ayu Ting Ting is my girlfriend.
No. She has a lot
She,
of.
he.
Oh, sorry.
I am he, bro. If I shave my face, that means I'm she. I'm not a TikToker.
Okay, and in the past, she. Sorry.
She.
In the past, he had a lot of exes. So, ex girlfriends.
I am. Actually, my name is Shashik also.
Yeah. Don't break the heart of Ayu Ting Ting.
I never break Ayu Ting Ting, ma'am, heart. If
By
she accept
saying,
me.
why telling this name?
she still love Shai Sheikh and
She still loves.
she still love
She still us only.
oh yeah, she love only us.
Okay.
And our all the fans.
See you next video.
Okay, bye bye guys.
Don't forget to subscribe.